that time of the year, carrying the legacy of grandeur JBM annual events, we present to you the Grand Muster 2025 Power of Positive Play. Those 5 minutes of seamlessly stunning performance is not just a show. It is an investment in every child's future. Stage experience provides a boost of self-confidence, a powerful asset in one's life. Stage grants grit and courage. Students believe in their abilities. Children learn to collaborate. They learn to stand up and start again after a setback. And finally, they see a commitment come through. At this moment, I reminisce the love and affection we received from everyone for our presentation, Geeta, the Way of Life. This event will exemplify the heart and soul of JBM. Yes, you guessed it right. Sports it is. At JBM, sports is not an activity. It is a platform to provide national and international exposure for our bright sparks to shine. Your loud clapping hands amplify the self-worth of children. So Sunday, 21st December it is. We await your gracious presence. Thank you.